I'm Emma, and yes, I am back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a colorful mess. I'm going to spray the background, and it is a water-based spray paint. So I'm now going to pick my colors. I don't know which ones. I'm going to use purple, pink, and red. Now let's start the spray paint. I'm going to start with red. I'm going to do the pink. Finally, I'm going to use my purple. So this is the final, not the final piece, but this is half of the work. And you could either let it air dry and get a snack, or use the blow dryer and just do it. Like with your mom's blow dryer, just take it. It is dry, so now I'm going to say the next step. The next step is you're going to get a piece of paper, as you see I have here, and you're going to get a bunch of paints that you want. I picked out black, blue, red, and white. I'm using acrylic paint. So what you'll do is you'll take your paper, I'm just going to push this, and you're going to put a bunch of the colors anywhere you want. It doesn't matter, just put them like boop, 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 like that, just anywhere. And now, and then you're just gonna keep on putting them everywhere and having fun with it. So I'm still putting them in. It's gonna take a little bit of a while because it's a lot of drops that I want. It looks like, this one looks like a heart. Oh, and also, happy April Fool's Day. I'm going to pull a prank on my mom. So now I'm putting the white paint, and I'm almost over. Just a few more drops. Okay. Now you are going to take the paper and fold it. Make sure it's perfect. Well, it doesn't have to be, but just don't push it down that much because you don't want it to stick. You just want it to kind of mold in with each other. And then you'll make a nice pattern. So 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! That is our pattern. And it's like cool. I like it. Now we are going to take our painting that we made and just put it everywhere. Like that. Boom. One more time to dry all this, and then we're gonna make something cool after. So be excited, okay? So I poured my red paint, white paint, blue paint, and yellow paint on a plate, and I am now, so I could do the drizzle and the splatters. So and that's why we need gloves, because it's gonna get messy. This is the fun part. Now you're gonna take some water and put it inside the paint and just mix it together to make it very watery, because then it will spray more. Now I'm going to add some more water. I think this is enough. And so now you're going to take your finger and make sure you have like gloves for this. You're going to take the bristles back, or the hair you could call it, and just like do this. It'll make a bunch of little stars. Okay, I think that's enough. And now I'm going to use another color. Stars, sparkles for today. Actually, I'm going to do another color. So I'm going to take some water, more water, mix it with some white. And now it kind of made a light blue, baby blue. So I kind of want purple. So I'm going to take a little bit of red and mix it in here to make a little kind of violet color. So it made like a little purple, a little bit more red. Now I'm going to do more splatters. So I had a lot of fun with splattering, but I think this is enough. So now we're going to use the hair dryer to dry it one more time. We're doing my favorite part, the drizzles. And it's kind of like what we did a second ago, where we had to make the paint watery. So we're going to take some water again, and I'm going to do yellow again for this. I think that's good. So you're going to take some of this and just do it along the side, and it'll make it drizzle. So first you need a lot of water, and if it doesn't go out like straight and the drizzles are not coming out, then slide the brush back. Slide the brush back. Tap the canvas on the table so the paint drips down to the bottom. So I want to drip some more colors, so I'm going to drip the top, and I'm going to do this red. I think I'm going to do it red. So I'm just going to mix it. So this is the last time that we'll need to use the hairdryer before the painting is done. And we're just going to tap it a little, give it a bit more help. So this is the final piece, and I hope you guys enjoyed it with me. And go subscribe down below, give this video a like, and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video to help you guys paint. Yeah, so that's it.